Little Star. You've arrived. My name is Miss Sunny Bloom, and welcome back to Little Star's Garden. Every one of us has special star energies that help us understand how we shine, feel, and grow. Do you ever find yourself wanting everything to feel fair and balanced, like two sides of a scale? Then today's star energy might sound just like you. Today, we're exploring Libra energy, a gentle spark that helps us make fair choices, share kindness, and keep our friendships balanced. Let's go have a seat in the garden and learn more about Libra energy.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Star's Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the Little Star's Garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little Star's Garden, let's shine.
This is Libra, one of our air signs. Libra energy loves keeping things fair and peaceful. Think about a fresh breeze on both cheeks, nice and even. That's Libra. Did you know Libra is the 7th sign of the zodiac? If you celebrate your birthday between September 23rd and October 22nd, you shine with Libra sun energy. But if your birthday is right at the edge of those dates, then the sun could have been changing signs. So check a special sky map called a birth chart to see exactly where the sun was when you were born. Libra's symbol is the scales, which is perfect because Libra energy loves balance, making sure everyone's feelings weigh the same. Libra's lucky colors are soft pink and sky blue, airy shades that dance on the wind, because Libra is an air sign, light, breezy, and always seeking harmony. Now, Libra energy is known for its sense of fairness, the part of us that asks, is everybody okay with this? But did you know Libra balance can show up in lots of different ways? Some kids with Libra energy are decisive diplomats. They listen, choose a plan that feels fair, and shout, "Let's go," right away. Other Libra kids are thoughtful weighers. They pause, consider every side, maybe make a tiny pro and con list in their head, then choose. It takes longer, but no one feels left out. Both styles are wonderful. Whether your Libra energy is quick like a snap or slow like a seesaw creek, the goal is the same: balance. Take a moment to think. When did you last feel your own Libra sparkle? Was it when you divided cookies so everyone got the same amount? Did you help two friends compromise on what to play at recess? Maybe you decorated your room so every color felt calm and even. Even if you're not a Libra, that's okay. We all have Libra moments, like when we say, "Let's vote so it's fair," or when we sit between two friends to keep the peace. Fairness and harmony help everyone shine. Our word of the day is balance. Being balanced means keeping things even, like walking on a beam without tipping over. On the count of 3, let's say balance together. 1, 2, 3. Balance! Awesome!
I walk the line, not too fast or slow, finding my rhythm as I go. A little of this, a little of that. Balance is where I feel just right at. When I share and take my turn, or when I stop to pause and learn, I check inside, then look around to find the space where peace is found. Balance like me, soft and strong, knowing where each piece belongs. In my heart and in my day, balance helps
a time when you kept things even? Maybe sharing toys so everyone got the same? Now, let's see how our Libra friend uses their balanced energy.
Hello, little stars. I'm Harmony, and I love everything neat, balanced, and beautiful, just like a perfectly arranged garden.
Harmony, I hear you've been feeling torn between helping your two best friends with their rooms. Can you tell us more?
My friend Breeze wants his art corner organized by color, and Echo wants all the books lined up by size. And they both asked me to help at the same time. I'm afraid if I spend too much time on Breeze's art, Echo will feel left out, and vice versa.
That's really thoughtful of you, Harmony. It can feel hard when we want to help everyone equally. Libra energy shines when things are in harmony, but real life can pull us two ways. Fairness doesn't always mean splitting time exactly half and half. Sometimes it means making a plan that honors both needs.
What if we set a timer? 5 minutes on art, 5 minutes on books.
Great idea! And after that, you can invite them both to admire your work together, so no one feels left out. And bringing friends together is where Libra energy really shines. Today's shine line is, I find harmony in all I do.
When we plan with care and include everyone, harmony blooms.
It's craft time, little stars. Today, we're making balanced scale art, a beautiful wall hanging that helps us remember to care for ourselves and others. When life feels a little wobbly, like one side of a scale, this art can remind us how to bring things back into balance. You will need one sheet of sturdy cardstock or poster board, a pencil and a ruler, scissors, markers, crayons, or colored pencils, 2 construction paper circles about 4 to 5 inches across, glue stick, or tape. You can also add sticky notes for updates. Feel free to pause the video while you gather your supplies, or if you need a little more time to complete a step. I'll be right here when you're ready. Draw a large T with the triangle on top, the post, beam, and balance point. Cut it out. This is your scale. Add the pans. Glue or tape 2 paper circles to each end of the beam. You can also draw strings to connect them to the beam. On the left pan, write or draw something that helps you feel calm. Maybe take deep breaths or draw quietly. Label it helpful for me. On the right pan, write or draw something that helps others feel calm, like listen to a friend or give a kind smile. Label it helpful for others. Now, decorate your scale however you like. Use colors, doodles, stars, or hearts. This is your reminder to stay balanced. You can use sticky notes on each pan so you can add new balance ideas anytime you want. Punch a hole and add string or tape it to a wall or door where you'll see it often. Here's mine. I drew a starry beam and added hearts on the pans. On one side, I put pause and breathe, and on the other, share a kind word. I added little sparkles for harmony. Remember, little stars, staying balanced means noticing when things feel too heavy on one side and gently adjusting. Every time you look at your balanced scale art, let it remind you to care for yourself and those around you in equal, loving ways. Let's say our shine line together. I find harmony in all I do. Little stars, Libra energy is all about balance, inside and out. When we feel centered, we can make fair choices and feel calm and steady. Let's practice a movement that helps us stay balanced in both our bodies and our hearts. This move is called the Fairness Shuffle, It helps us feel steady and focused, just like Libra energy. Stand tall with your feet together, arms by your side. Step to the right with one foot, then bring your other foot to meet it. Now step to the left and bring the other foot to meet it again, like you're gliding. Keep a soft rhythm. Right together, left together. As you move, say balance each time your feet meet in the middle. Let's try it together now. Step right, balance. Step left, balance. That's it. Feel how your body moves from side to side, just like a scale gently settling into harmony. When we shift from side to side like this, it helps both sides of our brain work together. That makes it easier to focus, sit still when we need to, and think clearly. It also helps us feel calm and fair, just like Libra energy. Balanced bodies helps us make balanced choices. Let's do 2 more shuffles together. Ready? Step right, balance. Step left, balance. Great job, little star. You just practiced staying centered and calm. And whenever you feel wobbly or unsure, you can do the fairness shuffle to bring yourself back into balance. Let's say our shine line together. I find harmony in all I do.
The air feels calm, the season's slow. It's a quiet time to learn and grow. I check inside, then look around. My energy keeps me safe and sound. Some days I share, some days I wait. I choose with care, I don't debate. I trust my spark, both kind and strong. It's been with me all along. I know my shine, I know my way. Even when skies turn quiet gray, I can feel and still be bold. My light is mine to shape and hold. Deep in my heart, I know what's true, what's just for me, what I walk through. I pause, I breathe, I let things go. That's how my energy starts to grow.
Today, we explored Libra energy, the part of us that helps create fairness and peace. We made our balance scale art, practiced the fairness shuffle, and learned how Harmony uses her Libra spark to make choices that help everyone feel included. This week, look for one moment where you can help create balance. Maybe that means waiting your turn or listening when a friend needs to talk. Try asking, what would help everyone feel good right now? Let's say our shine line again so we remember. I find harmony in all I do. Beautiful! Keep that peaceful Libra scale gently guiding your choices this week. Let's do our Starlight, Star Bright breath to feel calm and confident. Close your eyes if you like. As you breathe, feel your heart gently finding balance as you picture a glowing star in your heart. Breathe in, breathe out.
As you keep breathing, imagine your shining star growing brighter with every inhale. Feel any worry or tension float away with each exhale, like little clouds drifting off into the sky. Give yourself one more gentle breath in and a long, calming breath out.
Now, open your eyes and see how calm you feel. You are a bright star just by being you. Thank you for sharing your light with me today. Until next time, keep shining in our little star's garden. Bye-bye. Want more music, laughs, and fun? Don't miss Garden Grooves. It's a sing-along celebration with bonus songs, games, and our special puppet host. Get ready to groove and glow. Today is an extra special day. It's my birthday. And in Little Star's Garden, birthdays are a time to celebrate the light inside us and the energy that helps us shine. Hi, grown-ups. Libra energy is thoughtful, harmony-seeking, and beautifully aware of others. Your Libra child may want everything to feel just right, but that can sometimes make choices tricky or emotions feel tangled. Here are ways to help your little star find balance and calm. Make room for both sides. When your child struggles to decide, say, let's talk through both choices. What feels fair or kind? This helps them feel supported without taking over the decision. Model healthy boundaries. Libra kids are sensitive to others' needs. Show them it's okay to say, I need a little space right now, or that's not okay with me. They're learning that balance includes their needs too. Use visual tools. Balanced scale art or emotion meters can help make fairness and feelings visible. Let's add something that helps you feel steady today. Praise inner harmony. Notice when they stay calm or speak kindly. That was thoughtful and brave. It builds their confidence without pushing perfection. Let them practice choosing. Offer low-stakes decisions to build their confidence. Do you want to wear the blue socks or the yellow ones? Each choice is a win. Your Libra child shines when they feel harmony inside and out. With your support, they'll learn to trust themselves and stay connected to others.